Hi everyone, my name is Sathwika. Recently I have graduated from B.V. Raju Institute of Technology in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in the year of 2025. I have joined the Qspiders in the month of March 2025. I have chosen the testing course. I started the course with the SQL by Raven sir, then Code Java by Manjunath sir, and manual testing by Hemant sir and Raven sir, and Selenium by Nandini ma'am. The trainers helped me to boost my confidence and also helped me to enhance my technical skills in order to crack my technical rounds, and also helped me to motivated me in order to achieve my goal. Thank you Qspiders, and also the mock interviews helped me to analyze my soft skills and technical skill. Thank you Qspiders Punjagutta.